Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. Je m'appelle Chetna et aujourd'hui on va commencer avec la simple négation en français. So the negation is also simple and advanced in nature, but today we will be studying about the simple negation in French. This is how you deny anything in French, not just deny or to say anything in negative. Let's see how it works. So the basic structure is to understand what is the verb in your phrase or in your sentence. Just take that verb, put ne in front of the verb and pas after the verb. Take care that this ne becomes an apostrophe if the verb is starting with any of the vowels. A-E, I-O-U, H and Y. For example, je parle, je ne parle pas. Il mange, il ne mange pas. Je chante, il ne chante pas. So when I talk about an apostrophe, the examples like elle n'arrive pas, nous n'aimons pas. Next thing which is very important is when you are doing the negation with être. So we need to understand this part that whenever we're doing the negation with être, there is no change in any of the articles. All the articles rest unchanged. But if we do the negation without the être, all the article indefinite and the partitive have the tendency to be changed into de or d apostrophe depending on the noun which is coming with them. If it's starting with a vowel, it has to be d apostrophe, and if it's not a vowel, then we can easily go with de. For example, il a un livre. Il n'a pas de livre. So this un changed to the because un is a indefinite article. So un, une, des, du, de la, del apostrophe and du have the tendency to be changed into de or d apostrophe. Je veux du pain. Je ne veux pas de pain. So this way, we change the articles if être verb is not present while doing it. But if we have être, then all the articles remain unchanged. Whenever we talk about inversion, so whenever you need to do inversion with negation, take care that verb in the subject which comes with a hyphen are the group of best friends. The best friends never get separated. So just put ne before the verb and pas after the subject. Ne veux-tu pas venir? Right? So basically, this is how you are going to do the negation with inversion. Let's see the negation with imperative. Whenever the negation is with imperative, we do not have the tendency to change any of the things. Like if you remember when we did imperative, we did it this way that whenever we use the pronominal verbs, we will always change the to tua, and this has to come after the main verb. Like the noun changes to tua, nous remains nous, vous remains vous, right? And it comes after the verb which we have conjugated. Like promena nous, cache tua. But while negating it, we have the tendency to do it the other way around. Again, back to normal. Ne te cache pas. Ne t'approche pas. Okay? Ne me donne pas la boîte. So that is how it will affect the imperative. Moving ahead, when we talk about the pronominal ones, we will consider the pronoun and the verb like se lever. Se lever has to come with a pronoun with it, right? The reflexive pronoun that we talk about. So this will also act as a group of best friends and they'll never be separated. So, je ne me lève avant 10 heures. Elle ne se réveille pas à 6 heures. Like this, you can easily do your negation with the pronominals. Let's practice some of them. Vous ne faites de bricolage. Emily ne fait pas d'activité sociale. Ce n'est pas un comptable. Tu n'es pas une violoniste. Nous ne faisons pas. Now here you have to change it because it's with faire. So de bicyclette. Elle n'a pas de chat noir. Nous ne sommes pas d'enseignants. No. Now here you don't have to change it because it has être, so the answer is going to be nous ne sommes pas des enseignants. Ce n'est pas du lait, the milk. Now here you again have the être, so you will not change any of it. I think you would have got the simple negation in the easiest form possible with all of its different forms which can help you out while doing negation or replying in negative. Let's meet you in the next video with other grammar topics. Merci beaucoup, à bientôt!